Hey everyone, I believe the storm has stopped. I threw them out some lay pellets over there where there's not a puddle. Their food dish has water in it. They'll have to drink. It's fresh rainwater, but look at the chicken yard. Let's see if I can. Oh boy, I'm just now looking at it while I'm showing you. Oh me, look at all that water. The other chickens are in. The door's open. If they want to come out, they can come out and hop on the brick and hop on the cinder block, and they can even fly over here. What a mess. It's still windy out, cold. I'm cold. The trees are blowing. I want to go in and make some coffee. There's Big Daddy. I hate that it's like that, and the reason why that floods is even the coop is leaning, starting to sink. Is if you've been following me, you remember a couple years ago the county came through and dug up my whole chicken yard, and now why were they doing that? They were laying down new water pipes, not for me, but for the subdivision across the road. Can you believe that? And remember they tore up the fence, and it was a mess. The landlord had to get after them to come put the fence back up, and they were supposed to level out all of that with clean fill dirt, and they didn't. So the landlord's handyman said that there's some dirt around here, big piles of it. Once everything dries out, he's gonna fill it in for me, and he's gonna jack up my coop and try to get it straightened up. I just hope that it don't sink before then, because we're still in for more rainy weather. This is our rainy season. So I'm gonna get in and make some coffee. I left this gate open. Hi, Miss Kitty. Whoops, stand by mistake. I left this gate open so chickens can come in my yard today and eat grass. My yard's not as flooded as theirs. And eat this. Got some cleaning up to do after, probably tomorrow, I guess. No sense in being out here sweeping stuff, because we're in for more rain tonight. There's Kitty's blankets. She's dry, so she was either under there or she goes under here. She goes under my trailer, and there's leaves under there from the tree that's over my trailer. But she's all dry. And I think